Cerasuolo di Vittoria 2018. The only Sicilian DOCG is produced in the area of Vittoria, a small town in Sicily's southeast. The soils are made of marine terraces of red sands to a depth of 90 centimeters, then of a much deeper layer of white limestone and chalk of marine origin. So the vines grow part of their roots in sand and the deeper part in lime and chalk. The result is particularly aromatic red wines. The wine's blend is 60% Nero d'Avola, which grows elsewhere in Sicily, and 40% Frappato di Vittoria, which one can find only in this area, where it produces at its best wines of extremely aromatic character. It's a wine that pairs perfectly with tuna and all tomato-based preparations. And we suggest to serve this wine at 16 degrees, to best appreciate its aromatic component. In Sicily's southeast, the 2018 vintage has produced very typical aromatic wines thanks to early rains into the season and a rather cool fall.